here comes up with chicken do pyaza and normally I eat fulka, but here also outside I'm eating fulka itself, the two butter fulka. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today I have dropped down to Pot Biryani, which is behind this Ramaya College back gate. So let's go inside and check out what is so special of this Pot Biryani. Of course, Pot Biryani means they are going to be serving in this mud pot. So leaving that, what is special over here, we have to go inside and find it out. Hey guys, here is Mr. Riaz. He is the proprietor of this Pot Biryani Ramaya branch. So it's been like 3 months, Allah? Yes, 3 months. So 3 months back he purchased this Pot Biryani franchisee. So yes, Hedi Riaz, any special is there? Of course, Pot Biryani.
Yeah, Pot Biryani is special. Maybe you know everything, but really special anta adre ನೀವು Mughlai biryani ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ dum biryani ಅಥವಾ special biryani. So ಎಲ್ಲ different kind of things ಇದೆ. Spicy, non spicy ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ non spicy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
So different ಆಗಿ dishes ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಿನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿ, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಏನೋ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ರೀ ಹೋಮ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೇಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕೇಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಆಫರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಮೆಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಈ ಸಲ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಪಾಟ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಬೋ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಇವಾಗ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನಾಟಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಎರಡು ತುಂಬಾ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಟ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇದೆ?
ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇದೆ. 5 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ನಾವು ಈ ಪಾಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಪಾಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ನೇಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ರೈಟ್.
ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪಾಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲದು ಆಗಲಿ, ಏನೇ ಗ್ರೇವಿ ಇರಲಿ, ರಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿ, ಎ ಟು ಝಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಣ್ಣು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವ್.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ನೀವು ಮೊಘಲಾಯಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ತುಂಬ ಬಿರಿಯಾನೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಪಾಟಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನೀಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋನಾ ಬಿ ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಟ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಗುಡ್ ಒನ್.
ಸೊ ಮೊಘಲಾಯಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ 2 people ತಿನ್ನೋ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದು ಪಾಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ರೈಟ್. ನೌ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 3:15. He's gonna be serving me some of the dishes which I love to try over here in Pot Biryani, and I'm experiencing Pot Biryani for the first time. So waiting. My stomach is really very craving today. So the first dish is gundur chicken. So it's looking like a chicken Manchurian itself, and they have served me in mud plate. First bite, guys. I hope this would be the best bite. They have used butter. Lot of finely chopped garlic has been used, and cashews is also been used, and even curd. They have used coriander powder, and guntur chilies has been used a lot. Just look at this. Even they have used green chilies also. Spiciness is great, manageable, not so high, but yes. First they have done oil fry of this chicken with corn flour batter. After that they have put it in this sauce and they have salted out well. Taste wise good. Chicken is slightly crispy, and they have used groundnuts also. Just look at the cashews. The cashew has been first oil fried, then they have put cashews in this Guntur chicken. More than the Guntur chicken, this masala, whatever they have prepared in that, the groundnuts, the cashews, fried cashews and garlic, finely chopped green chilies and coriander leaves, this is giving a fantastic taste. And even they have used curry leaves also. The best combination for here comes up with chicken do pyaza and normally I eat fulka, but here also outside I'm eating fulka itself, the two butter fulka. Don't think that quantity is less of chicken do pyaza. I have asked them for a half portion. So full portion, it will be like you have to just see that biryani pot. So in that they give, because only 2 people are there, I don't want to waste the food. I can see lot of green chilies, and this they have used cream a lot in this chicken do pyaza, and lot of onions. I mean, they have used fried onions also, and they have used raw onions also. So both the taste is giving slightly sweetness, and they have used garam masala and coriander powder. Because of chilies, this is slightly spicy, but at last the creaminess is there, so the thickness of the curry, that spiciness takes away. And garlic taste is also there. Finely chopped garlic is also being used. Just look at this. And here and there they have used cashews also. And the creaminess of this chicken do pyaza is in next level. The curry thickness has come because of the cream itself. Best combination for this chicken do pyaza is this butter fulka. This is the next level. The fulka is so damn soft, can't explain you guys. You have to try. And chicken, they have not done any oil fry in this. They have put chicken directly into this gravy, and they have given a very good salt. So the chicken has cooked out really very well, and even the gravy has entered chicken very well, and it's boneless. Guys, this is Mogilai biryani, one of the most selling dish in this pot biryani. First bite, let me have it in hand, not in fork. So they have used basmati rice in this. The aroma is in next level. Pepper is being used, garam masala, coriander powder, and we have to give a mix, proper mix, because masala they have put it in center with chicken. They have used egg also, and they have done egg scrambled, and they have served this with chicken as well as biryani on top. The toppings is completely filled with chicken and eggs. Second bite, I wish to try this bite with onion. I love raw onions to the core, because raita I don't use. So I wish to try always biryani with raw onion. The finely chopped chilies is also being used here and there. The kick is just fantastic with the biryani, and the masala, whatever they have put it on top. I wish to try one piece of chicken now with this Mogilai biryani and squeeze some lemon, because it is summer. Chicken will be really very heat for body. So wherever I go, I try to eat biryanis with lemon. The best taste. They have used curd in this topping, and butter also, and fried onions is also being used here and there. That finely chopped chilies, that is giving the best spiciness in this biryani. And this Mogilai biryani is gonna be served in plate, not in pot. They have served raita in pot, and even gravy also in pot. The chicken is really crisp, When you're eating with biryani, that is giving a next level of taste. They have break the egg in this chicken, so the chicken is also crisp and it is giving a next level of taste in biryani. But egg taste is not dominating. Chicken taste is really very dominating, and the masalas, whatever they have used for topping, chicken toppings, that is giving a next level of taste. Just look at the scrambled egg, and here is chicken. The chicken has been slightly corn flowed and they have done oil fry. So next level of taste, guys. You have to try this Mughalai biryani. Fantastic taste, and even the aroma is in next level. The rice is being cooked well, and when they have put this dum, that roasty flavor is there in this rice slightly. Next comes up with pot biryani, special pot biryani. This is, so they have served in the pot itself. It looks really good when you see something old, or what do you say, as something like an antique piece. So first bite, first I have to give a mix, and with this I have got one chicken ran, a full leg piece, I can say. Just look at this ran. It has been cooked well, I feel, because usually big pieces, it won't be cooked well. Cinnamon and cardamom taste is really very dominating, and slightly ghee taste is there in this biryani. There, the toppings, it was made of butter was used in the toppings, but here the ghee is being used in the biryani, so the ghee taste is quite dominating. And let me try this bite with chicken ran. Chicken is so damn soft. My god, next level. The masala of the biryani has entered into chicken so well. Just look at this. It has entered till bone, and they have used curd also in this biryani. Slightly tanginess is there, and I wish to try this with some fresh lemon. This was the best bite because lemon, it is just fantastic with this biryani. It is a very good combination, I can say. And chicken also with rice, it is giving a very good combination. The rice has been cooked well. Whoever eats Nati style biryani, of course for them this would be like not so satisfied. But yes, Hyderabadi biryani wise, if you need to taste, this is the best biryani I can say. And the aroma of the biryani is also good. After having so much of chicken and after having so much of spicy food, this is must and should. A lassi, sweet lassi. It is thick, sweetness is medium, not so high. But yes, the creaminess is in next level in the lassi. Here and there, they have cut the almonds and they have put in this lassi, so it is giving a next level of taste. Yes, in summer this is must and should. Finally finished. My stomach is completely full. I have to log in now. I don't know at what time I'm gonna be logging in today because I'm not in mood to log in at all. I'm getting very bad sleep after having so much of food. Guys, trust me, the Mughalai biryani was amazing, and chicken do pyaza and that butter fulka was also amazing. If you people try to eat something like medium spicy biryanis, then you can go for pot biryani. I personally recommend to try here chicken do pyaza and butter fulka. The prices are like quite reasonable, pocket friendly I can say. The location will also be mentioned in the description part as well as price list. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.